For the past 1 month, the Judges and Magistrates Vetting Board has been investigating the conduct of 8 judges of the Court of Appeal and 1 from the Supreme Court, as required under the new constitution. And after the interviews, which were conducted in private, the board was ready to announce the date when 9 senior judges will know their fate.
Which will be on 25th of April. We'll immediately thereafter start the interviews of the other judges, the judges of the High Court, and that, as I have indicated to you, will be complete by latest by the middle of August.
We had to also be very careful, and we are continuing to be very careful, to make sure that any determination we make is based on evidence.
Justice Riaga Omolo of the Court of Appeal was the first to be vetted before Justice Philip Tunoi was subjected to the same process. Other judges who were vetted include Justices Joseph Nyamu, Erastus Githinji, Al-Nashir Vishram, Emmanuel Okubasu, Onyango Otieno, and Philip Waki. 2 of the judges, Jackton Ojwang and Mohammed Ibrahim, who are now serving in the Supreme Court, will also know their fate.
The corruption which is otherwise prevalent, say in the High Court or in the Magistrate or even in the corridors of judiciary, are therefore limited when it comes to the Court of Appeal, because they sit as panel of 3. If you have to bribe, then very likely you have to bribe all 3 of them. And not.
What I can say with confidence is that we are working very well as a team. We are respectful of each other. We try to get consensus wherever possible on ways to proceed, and we will try to get consensus if we can.
While clarifying that the exercise is not a witch hunt, the board asked institutions and members of the public to come forward and air their complaints against any judges or magistrates they feel are not suitable to serve in the judiciary.
When it comes to complaints, is the only area that we are saying that we have not had, because there has been this widespread perception that there is corruption and bribery within the judiciary. That has not come forward to the extent that we would have wanted to.
And we are the first in this continent to conduct a vetting process. So we are setting a historical process.
Those dissatisfied with the decision of the board will have 7 days to appeal. However, this can only be done on the discovery of a new and important matter, which is not within the knowledge of the judge or magistrate at the time of the determination. Next online to be vetted will be the 45 judges serving in the judiciary before 352 magistrates countrywide. The team expects to vet High Court judges by August this year and announce their decision in the first week of September. However, the board says it will seek an extension of 1 year for it to complete vetting all the magistrates. The act gives the board leeway to seek an extension. Chris, there, Citizen Weekend.